Today we are searching for hot springs. We've got my 2021 Polaris Pro XP on tracks and a snowmobile as backup. We've already had a good start to the day with the parking lot being completely full. And now we've found a washout.
Yeah, well, how wide is this? Like friggin' 4 feet?
5. That's probably less actually.
It's overhanging. That's not gonna work, that part. Everything else is fine.
But yeah, this is it. This is completely impassable.
Oh, you're like right on the edge there. There's a log. Somebody put a tree down there, it looks like. It's not a cliff there, it's just a tree.
This?
Yeah, that's the snow sitting on.
Looks good.
Now we've made it, what, not even a minute from where we just were stuck for like 2 hours.
Still see the creek.
And then now we have sled problems. Something's up. Is that how it normally runs?
Yep.
Normally runs like that?
Mine doesn't usually smoke like this either.
It does not sound good. Oh! Oh.
The sled decided to fix itself and started running much better. But we ran into a new problem. The snow kept getting deeper and deeper, ended up getting about 6 feet deep, and our progress slowed right down to a crawl. We were hoping to use the drone to be able to scout up to the hot springs to make sure that they even exist before we hike the whole way up there. But by the time we got there, it was too dark to be able to see anything. We decided it would be safest just to turn around and start heading the 22 kilometers back to the main road. There was another group of hot springs that we were hoping to get to that were not too far away to then spend the night. We ended up not making it there till 11 p.m. It got dark too quick to get any good video of us driving in last night, so the video of us driving out we'll have to do. It's just a quick hike out and then we're back at the machine.